Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Let's start our exercise 5b, question number 12. If C is equal to A upon B minus D minus E upon F minus D, find the value of F when A is given as 3, B is 4, C is minus 6 and D is minus 5 and E is 2. So let's start. So this D minus E upon F minus D is subtracting with A minus E, so we can write it as D minus E upon F minus D plus C is equal to A upon B, and we move this C on that side, so it will become D minus E upon F minus D is equal to A upon B minus C. Now we move F minus D on the other side. What we get is D minus E is equal to F minus D A upon B minus C. Now we move this bracket on this side, so D minus E upon A upon B minus C is equal to F minus D, and then move this D like that, so our F will become D minus E upon A upon B minus C plus D. So this is our required formula. Now we put the values of given numbers like that. F is equal to D is minus 5 minus E is 2, so upon A upon B 3 upon 4 minus C minus 6. This minus become plus 6. Now plus D plus minus 5 plus minus. Now we are solving. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Taking the LCM of 3 upon 4 plus 6 is 4. 3 plus 4 times 6 is 24 minus 5. So minus 7 upon 27 upon 4 minus 5, or we can write that as minus 7 divided by 27 upon 4 minus 5. Minus 7 multiply with 4 upon 27 minus 5. Plus minus minus. So minus 7 multiplied with 4 is 28. Minus 28 upon 7 minus 5. By taking the LCM, we get 27 minus 28 minus 5 times of 27 is 135. Minus 163 upon 27 is the value of F. This is our required answer. Now moving to our second question, question number 13. If A is equal to B upon C minus B, find B. when a is equal to 3 and c is equal to 10. Now first of all we have to manipulate this formula to our requirement, like that c minus b into a is equal to b, or we can say that a multiplied with c is ac minus ab is equal to b, or we can write it as taking a common, or no, do not take a common, AC will become b plus ab. Now AC is equal to taking b common, and what remains 1 plus a, and move this bracket like that, AC upon 1 plus a is equal to b. Now this is our required formula. Now put the values that are given, like that a into c means 3 multiplied with 10 in numerator, and 1 plus a, 1 plus a is 3 is equal to b. So what we get is 3 times 10 is 30 upon 4 is equal to b. 2 15, so our b becomes 7 whole 1 upon 2. That is our required answer. Now moving towards the question number 14, that is a tough one. Let's start to solve it. 5n, if 5n is equal to m bracket n x square minus y bracket close upon z, find n when m is equal to 6, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3 and z is equal to minus 5. Now we have to manipulate this formula to our required formula. Let's begin. So we can write n is equal to m upon 5z, and this bracket upon n x square minus y. Now by cross multiplying we get 5z n is equal to m bracket n x square minus y, 5zn is equal to m n x square minus m y. Now we collect both the n terms on the same side, like that. My is equal to m n x square minus 5zn. Now my is equal to, taking n common, what remains inside, m x square minus 5z, and move this number into upon, so my upon mx square minus 5z is equal to n, and that is our required formula. Now putting the values that are given, like that, m is 6 and y is minus 3, so 6 multiplied with minus 3 is, okay, we will see. Now m is 6 into x square, x is minus 2, the square of minus 2 is 4, okay, minus 5 z, z is minus 5, is equal to n. By solving, 6 times 3 is 18 minus 18 upon 6 times 4 is 24 minus plus 5 times 5 is 25 is equal to n. So our n will become minus 18 upon 49, and that is our required answer. So the last question, make a formula to find s, the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. So s is the variable for which our formula should be made. Let's start. S is equal to 3 consecutive numbers, that is n, n plus 1 and n minus 1. So it should be written as 3n plus 6. Why I put plus 6 instead of 0 or nothing? We will see in the part second. The part second is asking the odd numbers, find the value of s if the largest odd number is 101. So there are 3 numbers, 101, 3 odd numbers. 101 is the largest one. What is the second number is should be 99, and first number is 97. When we add all these numbers, we get 306. So that is our required answer. Hopefully you understand today's lecture. If you face any kind of problem, let me know. I will try to teach you. Thank you.